There's a moon in our solar system that's breaking every rule we know about how moons should behave. Neptune's largest moon. Triton is orbiting backwards, and the story of how it got there is absolutely insane. Every major moon in our solar system orbits in the same direction as its planet spins. Jupiter's moons, Saturn's moons, even our own moon follows this pattern. But Triton, it's going the complete opposite direction in what scientists call a retrograde orbit. It's the only large moon in the entire solar system doing this, and that's just the beginning of how weird this world really is. Here's what makes this so mind-blowing. Triton couldn't have formed where it is. It's physically impossible. When planets and their moons form from the same disk of debris, they all spin the same way. It's basic physics. So, if Triton didn't form with Neptune, where did it come from? Scientists believe Triton was kidnapped 4.5 billion years ago. Triton was likely a dwarf planet wandering the Kuiper Belt, that frozen graveyard of leftover planetary building blocks beyond Neptune. It may have even had a companion, like Pluto and its moon Charon. But then Triton made a fatal mistake. It wandered too close to Neptune. The leading theory is that Triton was part of a binary system. When this pair encountered Neptune's massive gravitational field, the giant planet ripped them apart. One object was flung into the darkness of deep space, lost forever. The other, Triton, was captured and forced into a backwards orbit around its new prison. But the chaos didn't stop there. When Triton arrived, Neptune probably had a whole system of regular moons, just like Jupiter and Saturn do today. Triton's backwards orbit would have been catastrophic. Scientists think it smashed through Neptune's original moon system like a wrecking ball, destroying or ejecting most of them into space. That's why Neptune only has 14 moons compared to Jupiter's 95. Triton obliterated an entire satellite system. And here's the kicker. Triton's retrograde orbit means Neptune's gravity is slowly pulling it closer to the planet. In about 3.6 billion years, Triton will pass within what's called the Roche limit. At that point, Neptune's tidal forces will literally rip Triton apart, shredding it into a spectacular new ring system around the ice giant. But Triton isn't going quietly. Despite being one of the coldest objects in the solar system, at -391 degrees Fahrenheit, it's geologically active. When Voyager 2 flew past in 1989, it spotted nitrogen geysers erupting from the surface, shooting material 5 miles high. These dark plumes are visible across Triton's icy landscape, creating long streaks of dust. Only 4 worlds in our solar system are volcanically active right now: Earth, Venus, Jupiter's moon Io, and Triton. Scientists think Triton might be hiding a liquid water ocean beneath its frozen nitrogen crust. The intense tidal heating from its capture and the ongoing gravitational squeeze from Neptune could have kept this ocean warm for billions of years. If that's true, Triton isn't just a captured Kuiper Belt object. It could be an ocean world with potential for life, making it one of the most astrobiologically interesting places in the outer solar system. Triton's surface is incredibly young, less than 100 million years old, which is nothing in geological time. It's constantly being reshaped by cryovolcanic activity, where water ice acts like molten rock. The moon has smooth volcanic plains, strange mounds, and features found nowhere else in the solar system. So Triton is a kidnapped dwarf planet, orbiting backwards, destroying moon systems, erupting nitrogen geysers on the coldest surface imaginable, possibly hiding an ocean, and slowly spiraling to its doom, where it will be torn apart and transformed into rings. It's the solar system's most dramatic moon, and we've only visited it once. The mystery of Triton's backwards orbit isn't just solved. It's a window into the violent, chaotic history of our cosmic neighborhood.